Hi everyone, welcome to this video. If it's the first time that you come across this channel, is my pleasure to meet you. This is quite an update video. I've been on MIA, a little bit taking a break from, social media detox and stuff, but I wanted to come back actually with this update after being a bit in a creative rut and trying to get things sorted out and come up actually with good content. And this is not my best, I think, and I'm trying to reroute and find my direction on YouTube. But take this as a guide, a 101, because I'm trying to get back to the start where I enjoyed vlogging and I enjoyed putting out work that I was proud of. So you can check that in my two playlists, one about film and photography and filmmaking and photography, and the other one just random vlogs where we talk, explore, and do outdoorsy stuff. So back to the video. This was me in my room. Actually, so messy. I had to hop on the shower, and here is me showing you my storage, the phone that I use to store everything that I film. I actually filmed the majority of my YouTube videos in my iPhone camera. Just make sure that the quality is 4K and the frame per second is on 60 frames. So here I was actually writing a couple of emails and trying to get some concepts down, because I've been using Notion to just arrange my ideas and make brainstorm and make space for content creation. So Notion is really a great tool if you ask me. And yeah, so in this guide, the last bit of tip that I feel like sharing is always to just trust your gut and be creative. If you have a side, I've been actually struggling to balance work life and just doing social media on the side. So when you feel lost, just try to scratch all the emotion and the frustration out, and try to come back to the beginning, the start. So I say this first to me, because this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to recalibrate and find my right focus to uh, put out whatever video. And yeah, so thank you for coming to my podcast. Here I finished a bit of my work, and I was recording it just to to make myself accountable. And yeah, I have a Discord community for this specific purpose, to meet people that are like-minded, sorry. And yeah, so the end of this video will actually just end up talking to you and updating you on this creative rut and hiatus that I took on my YouTube and TikTok platform. Actually, I've been back for a bit, but still working on it and trying to be consistent and doing my best. But yeah, this is all. I was actually getting ready to shower here, hence why the messy big bushy hair. But yeah, also make sure to subscribe if you enjoy the video, and just remember to take it slow. Creativity comes and goes. It's always a flow. Just allow yourself to create and be in the space to do so. I left you with this message. It was actually muted, so hence why I'm filming this podcasty voiceover. But yeah, here I was just speaking on the fact that I've been writing down, conceptualizing videos, but not really getting to the action, to the making things into reality and actually editing these videos. So I will try to put out these videos. Sorry for the bad quality, or any problems with audio stuff. But thanks for coming to this video, and if you enjoy, consider subscribing. Bye, see you in the next.